Hello friends, Running Kimono here. We have some Walgreens, some Meijer, and some Dollar General in this video, which is a midweek haul for the week of the 25th to the 31st of May. So the first thing we're going to do in this video is if you guys could do me a huge favor and like this video, I would be so grateful. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. Do you think that's even possible? I don't know, but if you could like the video, I'd be so grateful. Okay, so the first store that we're at is everybody's favorite, Walgreens. And I was just like moonwalking past the shampoo aisle. And you know this Walgreens generic, the new diapers? This 3-pack of wipes is on clearance for 79 cents. We have $1 off 2 Walgreens coupon. And even though there was only one bag, it still got reduced down to 29 cents. Now, even though the coupon is $1 off 2, it's going to get reduced down to 50 cents if you have it in an increment of 1, because it's a store coupon, which is kind of magical, and it will apply to more than one as well. Say you find 4, it'll be $2 off. And it's in this cucumber melon scent. Sounds quite glorious. And it's in this like accordion, so it's like 3 bags. Hey, for 29 cents with summer right around the corner, this is value right here. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the $9.99 Gillette and Venus razor. What you're going to do for this deal is grab one of each. The promotion for this is to buy 2, get back $5 register reward. And we have currently a $3 off of the men's and a $3 off of the women's. And these are manufacturer coupons, meaning they're of a one-time use. And again, the promotion is to buy 2, get back a $5 register reward, which is really nice. So this is just a very basic deal, grabbing one of each. It's $19.98. Look for the men's one that's $9.99. I could not track one down at my store. And a ladies one for $9.99. Subtracting $6 in digitals, you're going to pay $13.98. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, for many of you that were going into that summer aisle, you know where they have all the pool floaties, the sunscreen, the bug spray, all that stuff. This is where you would find that stem, the light thing. Unfortunately, that IBOTTA rebate is like, for me, it was like 24 hours or less. So it's on a time ticker. So do that deal ASAP. I showed it in my curbside earlier this week. Another fantastic deal that you should be doing this week at Walgreens is with the Colgate at $4. We have $2 off on each. So you'll have to grab one brush and one paste. And it's just a very basic deal, grabbing one of each. It's $8. Subtracting $4 in digitals, you'll pay $4. Get back a $4 register reward, making it free. I mean, that's fantastic. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Use your Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. How fantastic is that? Deal that I absolutely love this week are on these 6 packs of the Irish Spring bar soap for $5.99. So right there you get a little bit of savings, but we have this, which is a 3 off of 2. It's either off the bar soap or the liquid hand wash, so you pick. I grabbed 2 of the bar soaps for $11.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $8.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $6.98 for the 2 or $3.49 per 6 bars of Irish Spring. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. We don't get a lot of deals for men's bar soap, so this is definitely one I am stocking up on. Other deals I really like this week include this $2 digital coupon with this Febreze small spaces at $3.29 this week. It drops this small space down to $1.29. Now, I know a lot of us who are avid Dollar General shoppers, every other week we're like, look at all of our Febreze. And if you don't have a Dollar General around, or you're just not into shopping there, this is an alternative deal to get a very cheap small space. Another super deal with this Dollar Digital is to get one of these Mr. Clean multi-surface cleaners for $2.99. That price at $6.99, it's usually like $5 to $6 for this now. This is one item they've really increased the price. So $2.99 is a very good price for this cleanser for your home. You can use it for a multitude of things. Another deal I absolutely love is this. $2.79 for 3. It's buy one get 2 for free on the Walgreens food storage bags or storage bags. So it drops it down to 93 cents per, which is a very good deal. We also have the 4 for 10, and I just wanted to show you some of the really nice dryer sheets that are part of this. Anything that says 4 for 10, always open up that app and scan the barcodes as a part of it. Use Walgreens cash, register rewards, whatever you have to make it a bit cheaper. Another thing to keep your eyes peeled for is the 50% off candles. When this goes 75, especially for the Yankees, that'll be like $4.99. Those will just fly at that price point, but lots of these candles very cheap. The next store that we're at is Dollar General. This right here, penny inside. First penny of the day. Just a quick little thing that when you scan that barcode, rings up 0.00 at the register. It should ring up for a penny, and this is what we're looking for, and this is how we know it's a penny. And that penny list for Tuesday, as a lot of stores around me got remodeled, I think a lot of the food was in the clearance section, and a lot of the cereal got removed from the store with the remodels or whatever they've been doing up here. So I didn't have a lot of luck. So I went to one store, skunked out, and then I went to another store that recently got remodeled, and then I found more stuff that they put back on the shelf that was part of the remodel about a month ago, and it's still ringing a penny for me. Remodels are kind of confusing and tricky, but it's something that's been happening a little bit more here, where I can score like, decorative vases and these glass gems and lights and other fun things for a penny. And they've restocked this now, I think 3 times at this location, which is really nice. I made a video last week that I published about remodels, and I kind of jog you guys through what to look for, UPCs, signage at the store, how to figure it out in the app, and I will link this video at the very end. And like I was saying earlier, it would have been really nice to find some of the pennies from that penny food list, but it was not possible. And I saw that some of the candies and stuff, like the Kit Kat Thin or whatever it is, that was in the clearance section here last August, so there's no way I would have found it. But I tried and I failed, but I did look for some. I went to a remodeled store and found a lot of this. So, kind of a silver lining there. And that 500 penny video is like basically my guide to how to do a remodel today. Watch it. I will link it at the very end. The last store that we have is Meijer, which is a grocery store here only in the Midwest. The first deal is courtesy of a friend of the channel and a friend to me, Rolling Coupon Moms over on Instagram. We have a 3 off 2 for the Irish Spring, a digital M-Perk. That's basically what they call their coupons. In the travel section, you can get 2 of the Irish Spring body washes, and you're just paying tax. So I think up here it was like 18 cents for the 2. If you are traveling for the summer months, just a nice little body wash to have, and nobody's really complaining about that. The next deal I did was with these 2 digital coupons, the $1.50 off of the scrubbing bubbles and the $1.50 off of the Windex. Now the promotion with these is one of them is a little bit cheaper and one is just the regular schmegular price, but it drops these down just a little bit more if you're looking for some decent cleaner. So this Windex Fast Shine Foam is $1.79 with that $1.50 digital. I know IBOTTA for the longest time had a rebate for that, but it's vanished. But if you wanted to stock up, $1.79 with the digital coupon, not a bad deal. And we don't really get a ton of deals for this sort of cleaner at Meijer. And the P&G deal, I looked at it mathematically this week, guys, with the 10 off 50. It's far too much. It's like $34 out of pocket. I can't get behind that deal. And then this guy with that $1.50 digital, there are 2 different digitals you have to load. It's $2.99. And if you've been in the Dollar General app, they also have very similar digital coupons. So if you want to do it over there, load all your coupons. That's it for this video. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you're interested in Dollar General remodels, watch the video linked right here. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.